Again, these top cars, you know, we just keep getting them. What an incredibly wonderful car this is. 2022 Porsche Macan, 2-litre petrol, PDK, in Carrera White. It's a wonderful car. The only white one available on a 22 plate one, and even the other 5 for sale are nowhere near as good value for money as our car here. It's an instant seller. Wonderful, wonderful car to drive. And look at it. It's absolutely stunning. The 21-inch wheels make a big difference on a car like this. Now, 2-litre petrols, 265 brake horsepower, 6.4 seconds, 0 to 60. But when you get a Porsche Macan, new generation car, look at that. From every angle, it's just beautiful. Porsche dynamic lighting system. The new generation cars have a slightly different design to those lights. The car's in Carrera White. It's a wonderful colour, so it's a metallic white option. The wheels are an option. Front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera, electric seats with driver memory. Look at these wheels. Beautiful design on the wheels. Two-tone with coloured Porsche crested centres. Love the design. Gloss black insets into those wheels. Big feature, tilt and sliding sunroof. A must-have in a car like this. It's just wonderful. In a new condition with 1,000 miles on, privacy glass, black styling with black rear spoiler, black window surrounds, and look at this rear end. Full LED light strip across the rear. Parking sensors, new design rear end with this new diffuser, quad exhaust. It's beautiful. The 2-litre petrol it's punchy, it's responsive. The PDK works so well in the car. Black leather interior. Just stunning. And the Macan offers you so much because it's 4-wheel drive. You still get all that Porsche performance and prestige with the Macan, but you get the driver height, and that's why they're so popular. Looking into the door, you'll see we've got folding door mirrors, electric door mirrors, memory seats for driver and passenger, fully electric. Things like cruise control, heated front seats, sport button, 2 keys for the car, of course, all those things are a given. The newest interface with smartphone, Apple and Android CarPlay. And it's beautiful, comfortable, excellent driving height. Steering wheel's lovely, obviously, PDK gearbox. I've mentioned it, cruise control, automatic lights and wipers. Leather top dash, Napa leather steering wheel. Stunning car. Love the centre console, so piano black down the centre console, all your climate control, heated front seats, lane departure, lane assist, sport button, off-road button. Popping it into reverse, which you didn't see when I was reversing in, but got reverse camera with front and rear parking sensors and your graphic there. Then going back into the main menu, you can personalise your home screen, but you've got navigation, standard stuff, media interface, phone interface, your car settings. It's a lovely, lovely car, lovely place to sit in a new condition. Like I say, on a 22 plate, these cars are so hard to come by. You cannot buy this car from Porsche. You can't go and order one unless you want to wait 18 months, especially in white. The only white one available. It won't last long. Ring me on the number on the screen. I'd love to speak to you. My name's Richard. Thanks for watching.